Hi, some people don't believe I can do the Rubik's Cube map bridges. I'm here to prove them wrong. Here's my mom. It's already solved. I did it the last time I had a little practice. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up.
Okay. Let's see. Work it, work it, work it. I mean, does that look good, Jake?
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay. Okay, I would say that's pretty mixed up.
Okay.
Whoa, too many people seasick. And we're ready. Go for it, buddy.
Okay, here we go.
So, Jacob, do you want to tell everybody how long you've been doing the Rubik's Cube?
Since I was 8.
I think you were 9 when you started. About 8 or 9. Were you still 8? Alright, and who's the best at the Rubik's Cube in your school?
I'm the only Rubik's Cuber at my school.
Oh, are you?
Yep.
And do you have any Rubik's Cube fans in your class?
Well, I wouldn't say in my class, but Mr. Mateko, he always asks me after we do our lesson. He's my science teacher. And he always asks me after the lesson do my Rubik's Cube, so I'll grab it out of my backpack and just go ahead and show him, and he'll time me.
So he's pretty impressed with your skills.
Yep.
There you go. Do you want to give him a shout out on this little video?
Hi, Mr. Mateko.
Alright.
So, how much time do we have left, Mom?
Well, you're at about 3 minutes and 10 seconds. But the first minute was really me mixing it up. So you've only been at it for a couple minutes and...
Like 2?
Well, like 2:20. It's kind of a smug little face.
Well, I'm about to finish, so...
Oh, you're going down to the home stretch?
Yep. Whatever that means.
Well, that means you're almost done.
And here we go.
Holy cow, you're so good. Any message for Matt Bridges?
I think you learned your lesson.